Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to resolve one problem. The problem is that when you are promoting yourself from Fiverr.com, and you are embedding your gigs on the websites and blogs. So problem is that here when you are embedding yourself on the blog, you get this problem here on the screen, that Fiverr logo size is increased, and you can see that is not looking good. So we have to resolve it. Just edit your page where you embed this gig and go to the div where class is Fiverr seller content, and in the style attribute just add here height property and set it to 100%. Then preview, and you can preview and you can update, it's up to you. You can see here the image will be set as it be. So I hope this will help you. Thank you for watching.